What's going on, guys? Vitaliy Dubinin is here, and welcome back to another episode of Today's in Crypto Show, as we're about to close the month of June for Bitcoin on a very bullish note and enter the month of July, which historically has been one of the most bullish months for Bitcoin ever. Along all the history of Bitcoin, I want to share with you, we have some sharp movement today. Bitcoin is going up, altcoins are exploding, and we have $1,000 move down, grabbing some liquidity. What is causing all of this volatility? But should you even care? Because if you're an investor for the long term, that you don't really care about the volatility in the short term. So let's begin, guys, our today in daily show. So we have Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin closing the months above $30,000, which is really great. It's really great that we close about 30. I mean, we have still 9 hours and 7 minutes to go. And I want to show you that we are on a MACD. We are in a bullish. We entered, look at this. We started with like the red, and now we're about to cross right here and enter a bullish momentum on a MACD, which is a lagging indicator, and we see here the momentum, the stochastic RSI. So once we hit it right here, it was around January, February, you can see this move that I showed you previously in my Zooms. When the stochastic RSI goes above 20 level, that's when we start to get into momentum. Now, we can be like in 2015, we can go all the way to the top, to the momentum, just keep going all the way to the top, or we can be like in the previous cycle, we can go all the way to the top to momentum. We have a COVID crash, that was a black swan event, right? And then we go all the way back to the top. So which one would it be? This is of course the big picture, the monthly, but we're looking very good. We're looking very good, and we're about to close the month on a bullish note. But look at what happened today. Today, guys, we have a mega volatility in the market. Look at this volatility over here. We went to $31,200 and got rejected massively from here, falling in a matter of minutes. I'll show you from 31,000 all the way to 29,500. So that was a move approximately of 5%. So the altcoins like Pepe, for example, Pepe has look at this, in a matter of couple of minutes it dumped all the way 15%. So you can think about Pepe as multiplier of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dumps 5%, Pepe dumps 15%. It's Bitcoin up 20%, Pepe is up 60%. Everything is multiplied by 3. So you can see here that it was a liquidity grab. Now, overall, it was a bullish day. And why it was a bullish day? And when we went to 31,200, the market responded to this news, which came out as US inflation cools. I mean, the USA inflation is not really growing, which means that maybe future interest rate hikes are not going to come. And why this is good for the market? If there is no interest rates hikes, then essentially it's not going to be more expensive to borrow money. People can start spending more, essentially it's good. It's good for the markets to not have all the way this increasing interest rates like we had previously again and again and again. So this is why the Bitcoin reacted. But then what happened? All this list of ETFs. So you have all those Bitcoin spot ETFs that can really move the market and bring trillions of dollars in the up and coming bull market. We have recently iShares Bitcoin Trust, which is from BlackRock. We have Bitwise, Wisdom Tree, Invesco and Galaxy, Valkyrie Investments, Fidelity. They're all filing new. You can see, and they have the date. The SEC final date is in 2024. So you can see in the first part of 2024 or the latest part of 2024, those ETFs are going to start being approved and popping left and right. And of course, the market, upon hearing this news, pumped Bitcoin from 26,000 all the way to $31,000. And because of this tweet today, SEC says spot Bitcoin ETF filings are inadequate. Boom, Bitcoin drops to 29,500, drops 5% on this news. But it's already starting to recover. So basically, yeah, it's kind of like crazy. You can see what's going on in this markets, right? Look at this dip. Look at how far this went on this news. But any case, we have July is coming. July is coming, which is the most bullish months of Bitcoin historically speaking. So if you look at all the history from 2013 to 2023, July has been green months most of the time. Green months. So is June. So July historically is one of the best months, and October, of course. October is, September is not good, but October is very good. So we have July and we have October. Those are the months to be expected. Historically, history tends to rhyme. Yeah. So that's why Bitcoin, we see some volatility, we see some shakeout, we see some liquidity grabs on a sharp move of 5% down in a matter of like 15-20 minutes for Bitcoin, but it's being bought up. It's being bought up aggressively, and it's going up again. So there you go. There was quite a volatility today. That's why we have coins. Some are going up massively, some are down because of the latest move, but overall it's bullish. It was all green just a couple hours ago. But you can see the XEC doesn't care about what's going on in Bitcoin, completely smashing it today, up 53%. What is this eCash? Why it is growing 54% today? Absolutely incredible, putting it on the rank number 60 all of a sudden. And look at the history. Look at the history. It started with 4 zeros, 25. This is one day. Let's look at it all. Yeah. So eCash pumped to 303 at the top of the market, and now it's 40. So it's down from the all-time high quite substantially, and now we start pumping heavily. Look at this pump right here. What is causing this pump? eCash is what? eCash is a revolutionary new money powered by Avalanche. So but it's number 60 coin right now. So something worth taking a look at. It's on 187,000 watch list right now, and it didn't matter to eCash what Bitcoin did today with dumping 5%. They're like, I'm cool, I'm chilling, I'm up 54%, I'm doing all right. We have digital asset platform EDX Market, as you know, is backed by big giant institutions that is going to start begins trading, completes new funding round, right? So that is something to be also a good bullish news, and this is also helped pump the market this month as well. So overall, guys, let's take a look how we're gonna end the months. We're gonna end the months on a bullish note. Let's make sure that we close it above $30,000. It's gonna be really cool. We close it above $30,000 this month. We still have about 9 hours to go. So hold up this $30,000 level, and we can jump. Of course, this volatility, in the short term is really, if you look at a big picture, it doesn't matter if you go up and down $1,000. It's your chance right now to accumulate Bitcoin at these areas before the halving event. The halving event, which will be April 2024, is going to start moving the Bitcoin price dramatically up. And this is your time to accumulate both Bitcoin and altcoins, good projects, and buy and hold in DCA, and you'll be doing very good. So if you like this type of content, subscribe to the channel, stay up to date to what is going on in the world of crypto, and I will see you guys in the next episode of today's In Crypto Show.